This category recognizes organizations driving meaningful environmental progress across global bakery and confectionery production and supply chains. Our bakery finalists for this category include GEA Group, Lallemand, Linwood Raker. The judges commended this project for demonstrating practical, impactful changes that improve biodiversity, reduce carbon footprint, and reshape the supply chain. The circularity and collaboration with BIFA offer a model that could inspire global adoption. And the winner of the International Bakery Sustainability Project of the year 2025 is Linwood Raker's Sustainability Leadership in Baking Paper Supply. Our confectionery finalists for this category include Chocolada, Constantia Flexibles, Cow Foods. The judges praised the winner for taking sustainability to new heights. This farmer-first cacao sourcing model empowers communities, champions sustainable cacao production, and sets a powerful benchmark for ethical, high-quality sourcing. And the winner of the International Confectionery Sustainability Project of the year 2025 is Cow Foods' farmer-first cacao sourcing model. Congratulations to Linwood Raker and Cow Foods, two organizations redefining sustainability in food production.